Your support agents are answering the same 3 questions every single day. Quick replies in Zendesk can cut that repetitive work down to a single click for both your bots and your human team. Here's exactly how to set them up. Where is my order? What is your refund policy? How do I cancel? These questions repeat dozens of times a day. Without quick replies, agents retype the same answers constantly, slowing down response times and burning out your team. Quick replies fix both problems at once. Before you start, you'll need Zendesk Suite Team or higher. That starts at $55 per agent per month. You'll also need admin access to the Zendesk Admin Center and an active messaging channel. One important note, these quick replies work in Zendesk messaging, not the legacy chat product. Go to Admin Center, click on AI in the left sidebar, then select AI Agents. If you haven't created one yet, click Create AI Agent to get started. This is where you'll build the automated flows that power your quick reply buttons. AI agents work through named answers. Each one is a scripted conversation flow for a specific scenario. You can edit the default greeting answer or create new ones for billing questions, order tracking, and return requests. Each answer handles one distinct customer journey. Inside your answer, add a present option step. This is the step type that creates clickable quick reply buttons. Write the message you want to display, then add your options. You can include up to 10, but Zendesk recommends keeping it to 6 or fewer so customers aren't overwhelmed. Here's where quick replies get powerful. Each button can route customers to a completely different path. Track My Order could surface Help Center articles automatically. I Need a Refund could collect order details and transfer to a human agent. Map out your branches before you build them. Zendesk gives you a live preview panel right inside Flow Builder. Click through every single quick reply option and follow every resulting branch. Don't just test the main path. Find the dead ends now, before your customers do. Once every branch is working correctly, publish your AI agent to your messaging channel. Customers will see the quick reply buttons from their very first message. Keep in mind that any future changes require republishing the AI agent to go live. Quick replies aren't only for bots. Your human agents can use them too. Just type a / in the message composer to open a searchable menu of pre-written responses. Admins can create shared replies for the whole team, and each agent can also build their own personal library. The strongest quick reply flows start broad, categories like sales, support, or billing. Then get more specific from there. Always include an escape option so customers never feel trapped in the bot. And always test on mobile because quick replies render as numbered options on WhatsApp and look very different on a phone screen. Quick replies work great for predictable questions with fixed answers. But when a customer's issue is complex, nuanced, or just doesn't fit a button, that's where eesel AI comes in. Connect it to Zendesk and it learns from your past tickets, Help Center articles, and macros to generate open, contextual responses without any predefined menus. Ready to answer faster and handle every customer question, not just the ones that fit a button? eesel AI works alongside your Zendesk quick replies, handling the complex conversations while your bots manage the routine ones. Try it free for 7 days at eesel.ai.